A big round of applause for her. Come on. Thank you. Bald eagles are also the emblem of the United States of America. They are one of the largest sea eagles that can be found throughout the entire world. Now you might be wondering, why is she called the bald eagle when she has feathers on the head, right? This is because of two reasons. One is that the word bald is an old English word for white snake. And number two, when these birds are flying high up in the sky, their head appears camouflaged among the clouds, giving them the appearance that they are bald. The name. Now, the water stoppers, these birds are known to hunt for fish. They can also feed on small mammals and even scavenge what they want as well. Now, Susie right here is already 20 years old. She can live up to 45 years in captivity. Let's give another big round of applause for her, everyone. Our American bald eagle. Thank you. Now, next up is a bird of prey, excellent sense of smell, and is able to detect the scent of a rotting carcass from miles away. Anybody know what kind of bird is that? That's right, a vulture. And to be exact, it is a turkey vulture. So let's take a look at Titan.
Python. Wow.
Now, Titan, the turkey vulture, can be found from Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are one of the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 7 million of them. As mentioned earlier on, they have a keen sense of smell, so they are usually the first to locate a carcass and land on it. But at times, they might not be able to feed on it, as their beaks are not strong enough to tear open large carcass skin, like a buffalo carcass. This is why they wait for other species of vultures to feed on their mouth. And these birds have very strong stomach acid, or 0 pH level. So you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is. Right, Titan? Always all the way back there. Come on. All the way there. There you go. Titan, our turkey vulture, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. Oh, you hear that? Oh, what's wrong with that? Does anybody know?
Got another bird, got another
bird. Owls around here.
Oh, what's that?
Owl? Is that an owl?
Is it an owl?
Okay, that's not an owl, okay? I thought it's just a kingfisher, a wild kingfisher. Can anyone see the owl? Where is he?
I see the owl there.
Ah, he's right up there. Now a gentle reminder for everyone to remain seated and be as quiet as possible, because you're about to experience the owl with the ability
holding.
of a
Uncle holding.
Right, okay. Let's give the owl a few more minutes. 2 seconds. Alright, come on.
Oh, the owl there.
Now, I'm pretty sure no one here is able to hear the owl when he was making his way down. This is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their wing feathers. Which is why even when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. But why are they able to fly so silently? Now, what is owls hunt for now? Anybody know?
Stay here.
Yeah, they hunt for mice and rats. Now, these rodents have an acute sense of hearing too, which is why the owls have to be very silent in order to sneak up onto their prey and pounce on them without being detected at all. That's why owls are also known as the silent hunters of the night. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Blanc, our Malay fish owl. Malay fish owls can be found throughout Southeast Asia, including Singapore, and this particular species has evolved themselves to hunt for fish, which makes them very special indeed. Oh,
the other one.
Owl joining us, look over there.
There, the other one.
That's Rocky, our barred eagle owl.
Oh, dear.
Now, does anybody here know that keeping birds of prey is actually illegal? You know? Birds of prey in Singapore is actually illegal. Okay, you cannot keep them as pets in Singapore. And unfortunately, Rocky was a victim of that, okay? He was kept in a very poor condition in a very small cage. And because of that, his wing was unable to develop properly and he was unable to fly very well as a result of that. And when we got him, we actually had to spend a lot of time treating him, getting him for some physiotherapy, and finally he was able to go back and drink properly. And look at him now. Doesn't he look very healthy right now? Yes, excellent. Thank you so much. And hopefully we'll get to see Rocky fly in the future, okay? Right, let's all say goodbye to Rocky, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. That's a cute bird. This guy's looking all the way back there. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Now, how many degrees can an owl turn its head for? Anybody knows? In 90. That's a bit too low. 180, 270. Okay, let's make it easy for everyone, okay? So who here thinks it's 180 degrees? Raise up again, 180. Okay. How about 270? Oh, it's a long
Christian.
okay. And the last one, 360 degrees. Really? This much only? Okay. The correct answer is actually no, it's only 270 degrees. Okay, so great job. So many of you got it right. Well done, well done. Now, 180 degrees and see what you and I can do from the left to the right. Okay? 360 is